You can have the sweep if you want. And he gets it straight past that man that was brought up. It was a drag down. It said hit me.
Over the top. Bit of aggression early on from Kohli to get off the mark.
But the second one a bit too full maybe, and Virat Kohli was on top of it. Don't think he exactly intended to hit it there. He's going to take the result nevertheless.
Oh, aerial, but just gets it over the head of backward point, and it will make it to the boundary.
That's well played, well struck. That's pulled away in the gap, and it's hit hard by Kohli.
But then on a day you can have a totally different feeling.
Oh, it's gone fine. I think it's got enough on it to get to the boundary. Now that's in the gap. Now from time to time, if you can take a boundary of the lead bowler, that's gold. Just marginally short. And how quickly he's latched onto the back foot. We saw that when Steve Smith was batting too. It's a sign of a great player.
Dragged down. And Kohli is too good a player to miss out on that. He puts it away with ease.